Ke Pekan Kuala membeli bingka, sayang pesanan terlupa sudah. Majlis bermula, tirai dibuka dengan alunan madah yang indah. Yang berbahagia, Puan Hajah Mazli binti Muhammad Sharif, Pengetua SNK USJ 13, yang diraikan Puan Teh Gio Id, mantan guru akademik, yang dihormati Encik Suhaimi bin Muhammad Nasir, YDP Persatuan Ibu Bapa dan Guru, yang berusaha Puan Mahnum binti Muhammad, penolong kanan pentadbiran, Puan Rosnita binti Tajuddin, penolong kanan hal Ewan Murid, Puan Azura binti Hamid Hambal, penolong kanan ko-kurikulum, Puan Sofia Lau Chiao Hui, penolong kanan petang, barisan guru kanan mata pelajaran, rakan-rakan guru, AJKPIBG dan seterusnya, warga SMK USJ 13 yang dikasihi. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh dan salam sejahtera. Bersyukur kita kepada Tuhan kerana pada pagi yang ceria ini kita dapat bersama-sama berkumpul bagi meraihkan Majlis Sanjungan Budi Lambaian Kasih Puan Teh Gio Id sempena majlis persaraan beliau.
Hadirin yang dihormati, majlis dimulakan dengan nyanyian lagu Negaraku. Semua hadirin diminta bersedia. Terima kasih atas nyanyian lagu Negaraku sebentar tadi. Lebat kemiri pohonnya rendah, dahan terikat tali perkasa. 10 jari kami menada, mohon berkat yang Maha Esa. Bagi menambah keberkatan majlis kita pada pagi ini, marilah sama-sama kita mengaminkan bacaan doa yang akan dibacakan oleh saudara Farid Wong bin Daniel Wong 2 Epsilon. Majlis dengan segala hormatnya mempersilakan.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Alhamdulillahirrabbilalamin. Wassalatu wassalamu ala Sayyidina Muhammad Ashrafil Mursalin wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Sempena majlis persaraan cikgu yang kami kasihi Puan Teh Gio Id yang diraikan pada saat ini, kami menadah tangan memohon agar cikgu diberkati, dikurniakan rahmat dan nikmat yang berpanjangan, sihat walafiat yang berkekalan. Kami berdoa ke hadratmu, Ya Allah, agar cikgu dikurniakan kekuatan fizikal dan mental untuk meneruskan kehidupan dalam suasana berbeza selepas persaraan ini. Jadikanlah perhimpunan secara maya kami ini sebagai satu perhimpunan yang dirahmati dan perpisahan kami pula selepas ini sebagai satu perpisahan yang diberkati dan juga dilindungi. Dan janganlah engkau jadikan pada diri kami ini dan mereka yang bersama kami kebinasaan dan menyingkirkan kami dari memperolehi rahmat. Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Syafi, Engkau berilah kesembuhan kepada saudara-saudara kami yang dijangkiti wabak COVID-19 walau di mana sahaja mereka berada. Sesungguhnya tiada penyakit yang tidak dapat Engkau sembuhkan, Ya Allah. Tiada mara bahaya yang tidak dapat Engkau jauhinya dari kami, Ya Allah. Kami bermohon kepadamu, Ya Allah, lindungilah kami, selamatkanlah kami, sejahterakanlah hidup kami. Ya Allah, Ya Rahman, Ya Rahim. Perkenankanlah doa kami. Kami memohon kepadamu kerana Engkaulah Tuhan kami. Kami meminta kepadamu kerana Engkaulah yang menciptakan kami. Kami merayu kepadamu kerana Engkaulah yang maha memakbulkan doa-doa kami, Ya Allah. Rabbana atina fid dunya hasanah wa fil akhirati hasanah wa qina azabannar. Wa sallallahu ala sayidina Muhammad wa ala alihi wa sahbihi ajma'in. Subhana rabbaka rabbil izzah amma yasifuna wassalamu ala al-mursalin walhamdulillahi rabbil alamin.
Amin amin ya Rabbal Alamin. Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Farid Wong atas bacaan doa itu tadi. Untuk makluman murid-murid, pautan kehadiran majlis ada diletakkan di GCR kelas masing-masing. Majlis diteruskan lagi dengan berjemput Ketua Murid Saudari Darshana Anak Perempuan Paragas Rau untuk menyampaikan ucapan. Dengan segala hormatnya dipersilakan.
Selamat sejahtera dan salam sayangi Malaysiaku. Yang diraihkan Puan Teh Giok Id, yang berbahagia Puan Hajah Mazni binti Muhammad Sharif, Pengetua SMK USG 13. Yang berusaha Puan Hajah Mahnum binti Muhammad, Penelung Kanan Pentadbiran, Puan Rosnita binti Tajuddin, Penelung Kanan Hal Ehwal Murid, Puan Azura binti Ahmad Hambal, Penelung Kanan Kokurikulum, Puan Sofia Law, Penelung Kanan Petang. Yang dihormati YDP PIBG Encik Suhaimi, AJK PIBG, guru-guru kanan mata pelajaran, guru-guru dan rakan-rakan yang saya sayangi. Terlebih dahulu, saya ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada pihak majlis kerana memberi peluang kepada saya untuk menyampaikan ucapan pada hari ini. Setinggi-tinggi kesyukuran kepada Tuhan kerana pada hari ini kita dapat bersama-sama meraihkan majlis persaraan seorang guru yang amat disayangi oleh semua warga SMK USG 13. Hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, seperti yang telah kita sedia maklum, Puan Teh Giok Id akan bersara setelah berkhidmat selama 32 tahun di alam pendidikan. Suasana seakan redup seketika dan keindahannya tiba-tiba terasa suram apabila nanti Puan Teh berlalu meninggalkan sekolah ini. Walaupun hati masih lara dan seolah-olah tidak mengizinkan, tetapi kami semua reda dengan persaraan Puan Teh. Persaraan ini merupakan detik paling bahagia untuk Puan Teh setelah berjuang pahit manis dalam dunia pendidikan. Jasamu dikenang, budimu tak terbilang, semangatmu dijulang, kepimpinanmu gemilang. Begitulah yang boleh kita katakan atas segala bakti dan kepimpinan yang disumbangkan oleh Puan Teh sepanjang perkhidmatan beliau di sekolah ini. Hadirin sekalian, saya selaku wakil pelajar SMK USG 13 ingin merakamkan setinggi-tinggi ucapan penghargaan kepada Puan Teh Giok Id kerana sepanjang tempoh perkhidmatan Puan Teh di sekolah ini, beliau telah banyak menyumbangkan jasa terhadap kemajuan, perkembangan dan pembangunan sekolah. Sikap beliau yang sentiasa mementingkan pencapaian para pelajar amat saya kagumi. Beliau seorang yang amat bertanggungjawab dan sentiasa mengambil berat terhadap kebajikan para pelajar serta melakukan tugasnya dengan hati yang tulus. Hadirin yang dikasihi sekalian, peribadi yang lembut, tenang dan penuh pengertian menjadi sanjungan. Kami semua pastinya nanti akan merindui gelak tawa dan senyuman manis Puan Teh selepas ini di sekolah. Bagi kelas saya, beliau pernah mengajar subjek matematik, kimia dan juga PJPK. Dan saya ingin mengucapkan terima kasih yang tidak terhingga kerana sepanjang pengajaran, beliau tidak pernah mengenal erti jemu mendidik dan mengorbankan waktu demi kami, anak-anak muridmu. Walaupun Puan Teh Giok Ip akan bersara, tetapi ketokohan, kecemerlangan dan dedikasi beliau telah memberi suntikan semangat kepada kami dalam meneruskan tanggungjawab yang telah diamanahkan. Sikap dedikasi berpegang teguh kepada prinsip dan tugas menjadikan Puan Teh Giok Ip seorang suri teladan kepada kami semua. Terima kasih Puan Teh. Hadirin sekalian, akhir kata, kami berdoa semoga Puan Teh serta keluarga dipanjangkan usia, diberikan kesihatan tubuh badan dan ditambahkan ilmu pengetahuan yang bermanfaat kepada agama, bangsa dan negara. Tak tumbuh, tak melata, tak sungguh orang tak kata. Benar kata pepatah Melayu, patah tumbuh, hilang berganti. Namun, yang hilang akan tetap kekal menjadi kenangan abadi. Patah dahan, bunga kemboja, pucuk paku, subur di titi. Budi cikgu kami tak lupa, sudah terpaku di dalam hati. Salam kemaafan kami hulurkan, ilmu diberi, harap dihalalkan. Doakan kami semoga berjaya dalam hidup. Semoga berjaya cikgu walau di mana jua anda berada. Sekian, terima kasih.
Terima kasih diucapkan. Terima kasih diucapkan kepada Saudari Darshana atas ucapan yang disampaikan sebentar tadi.
Duduk sekawan gadis jelita buat santapan untuk pahlawan. Tampillah tuan kami meminta madah ucapan kata aluan. Majlis seterusnya menjemput dan mempersilakan Puan Hajah Mazni binti Muhammad Sharif untuk menyampaikan ucapan. Dengan segala hormatnya dipersilakan.
Terima kasih kepada pengurusi majlis pada pagi ini, Puan Nurul Zanaria, dan terima kasih juga bacaan doa tadi oleh anak murid kita. Okay. Jadi melati kuntum tumbuh melata, sayang merebah di pohon cemara. Assalamualaikum mula kata sebagai pembuka bicara. Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Salam sejahtera, salam tertinian ya. Alhamdulillah hari Jumaat yang mulia ni kita dapat adakan satu lagi program untuk guru kita yang kita sayangi ya. Yang diraikan Puan Teh Giok Ip, yang dihormati Encik Syuhaimi bin Dasir, YDP PIBG, yang berusaha barisan penolong-penolong kanan, Puan Mahnum penolong kanan pentadbiran, Puan Rosnita penolong kanan HAM, Puan Azura penolong kanan co-curriculum, Puan Sofia penolong kanan petang, barisan guru-guru kanan mata pelajaran, guru-guru AJK PIBG yang hadir pada pagi ini, dan jemputan lain ya yang hadir, dan anak-anak tertinian yang disayangi ya. Bersyukur kita kepada Allah SWT kerana kita dengan limpah kurnianya ya, kita dapat bersama-sama meraihkan persaraan guru yang kita sayangi ini ya pada hari ini ya. Kalau ikutnya jadual kita sangatlah penuh ya, semua terutamanya para guru, para pentadbir ya, di mana pada ketika ini berlaku beberapa perkara sedang berjalan serentak saya pun ada majlis serentak di sini, tapi di sini saya akan bersamalah sebab di sana saya tidak terlibat sebagai tidak perlu, saya perlu mendengar saja Jadi saya mengambil peluang di sinilah nak menyampaikan sedikit kata untuk daripada kita semua pada Puan Teh ya. Setiap pertemuan pasti ada perpisahan ya. Yang pasti setiap perpisahan pasti sangat menjadikan. Betul Puan Teh? Saya pernah rasa sedih dah sebenarnya. Tadi saya happy bersama dalam tim sana. Jadi kita rasa terharu sebenarnya bila sekolah kehilangan guru-guru yang sangat hebat. Pada saya guru-guru senior di sekolah ini semuanya hebat-hebat belaka. Jadi pada hari ini kita kehilangan guru kimia kita yang sangat banyak pengalaman dan juga matematik lah kepada semua warga Tertinian. Majlis yang dirancang pada hari ini bukan sajalah untuk kita rancangkan supaya semua dapat bersama kerana kita nak menghargai jasa, bakti dan keringat yang telah disumbangkan oleh Puan Teo kepada sekolah kita. Nah, saya rasa sebab lah. Okey, Puan Teh tak apa, itu biasalah memang perasaan itu kita alami bila kita nak meninggalkanlah sekolah. Cuma Puan Teh akan meninggalkan terus bidang pendidikan secara formal. Sebenarnya secara informal masih lagi boleh bersama secara formal sajalah sebab semalam ialah hari terakhir Puan Teh sebagai kaki tangan kerajaan di Kementerian Pendidikan lah, khasnya di Sekolah Menengah USJ 13. Jadi Puan Teh telah berkhidmat di sekolah sebenarnya bila saya tengok dalam info yang ada, Puan Teh telah berkhidmat di sekolah ini daripada sekolah ini dibuka lah iaitu dalam awal tahun 2000 jadi maknanya tahun ini tahun 2021 dah 21 tahun sebagai pendidik di SMK USJ 13 kalau 21 tahun tu kalau anak kita, anak gadis kita dia nak lah, betul dia nak kunci dah nak pergi somewhere 21st birthday, betul Puan Teh. Tapi Puan Teh bersara tak apa Puan Teh, itu antara Puan Teh telah menjalankan menyumbang terhadap kerajaan Malaysia sebenarnya lama, di mana 11 tahun di 3 buah sekolah yang lain, iaitu mula perkhidmatan di Sabah di SMK Tamparuli pada tahun 1980 hingga 1990. Saya sempat juga berada di Sabah Puan Teh. Sabah satu budaya yang berbeza daripada kita di Semenanjung. Menarik itulah peluang Puan Teh bila berada di bidang kalau berpeluang pada beberapa sekolah dan negeri-negeri lain, Puan Teh dapat lihatlah budaya mempengaruhi pendidikan anak-anak. Jadi Puan Teh ada pengalaman di negeri Sabah, kemudian balik ke Semenanjung, berada di SMK Damansara Jaya pada tahun 1991 hingga 1997 lah. Kemudian berhijrah ke SMK Subang Jaya sekejap sebelum berpindah ke SMK USJ 13. Okay, maaf, tak dengar Puan. Saya tak tahu ada teknikal. Okey. Dah dengar ke? Teknikal tadi. Okey Puan. Okey. Teknikal sebab saya tak tahu agaknya sebab saya guna maksud saya yang sekarang belah tu ada lagi satu PC menggunakan menggunakan juga line sebab saya perlu berada dalam satu kumpulan lagi. Okey. Kita teruskan. Puan Tan Peyong angkat tangan, kenapa? Raise hand, Puan Tan Peyong. Okey, saya teruskan. Jadi Puan Teh telah perkhidmatan dan pengembangan Puan Teh sumbangan di SMK Section 13 sangatlah membanggakan pada saya dia telah berjaya menjaga bidangnya lah, subjeknya mata pelajaran kimia di sini dengan terbaik lah jadi terima kasih Puan Teh Jadi cikgu-cikgu yang berada di sini, cedoklah ilmu yang Puan Teh ada, bagaimana dia touch anak-anak muridnya dalam subjek of course lah, subjek utama dia ialah kimia Jadi mungkin Puan Teh juga boleh share dengan guru-guru itu nanti apa yang Puan Teh lakukan lah mungkin masa lain boleh Puan Teh ada sekarang dah boleh keluar kopi mungkin Puan Teh dah boleh plan lah dekat situ Puan Teh tak boleh pergi overseas lagi. Jadi pendekatan yang Puan Teh guna sebagai seorang yang guru yang penuh dengan diplomasi tapi tegas lah telah memberi impak yang positif kepada mata pelajaran yang Puan Teh iaitu kimia dan satu lagi mata pelajaran matematik. Kepada sekolah ini, semasa saya berada di sini, Puan Teh adalah penyelaras tingkatan 5 dan penyelaras APDM sekolah lah Puan Teh sangat committed saya tahu kerja buat Puan Teh sangat bagus jadi dia tahu semua jadi pengganti Puan Teh kena tanya Puan Teh apa Puan Teh lakukan untuk penyelaras tingkatan 5 itu dia dah ada ilmu, jadi dia dah boleh solve perkara-perkara yang melibatkan tingkatan 5 jadi beliau juga saya tahu tidak lokek lah dia tidak lokek membantu guru-guru di sekolah ini, terutamanya guru tingkatan 5 lah yang memerlukan pertolongan daripada beliau dan semangat dan pengorbanan Puan Teh kita jadikanlah sebagai dorongan kepada kita semua yang masih lagi berkhidmat sebagai kaki tangan kerajaan di mana teruskan kita kena teruskan ikut Puan Teh, teruskan untuk mengharungi Puan Teh harum juga sampai semalam masih lagi sempat bersama anak muridnya jadi kita kena ambil dengan umur Puan Teh dengan saya ni sama umur tapi dia dah nak dia decide nak bersara kan. Dia ada satu masa memang kita rasa kita perlu, kita kena fikirkan Puan Teh dah decide. Bila saya tanya dia kata ada satu point tu dia dah okay decide. Okay. Apa yang dia cakap tu saya kebetulan sebelum ni saya dengar ada satu doktor pakar bedah yang sangat bagus. Tapi satu masa dia buat kesalahan yang kecil saja Saya tak kata Puan Teh buat kesalahan tapi saya nak share apa doktor pakar ni dia buat, dia memang set KPI dia kalau dia buat satu kesalahan kecil dia akan retire. Itu yang dibuat oleh pakar bedah itu bila dia dah buat dia pakar kesalahan dia tu kecil tapi pada dirinya dia dah tak boleh, dia kena stop. Itulah Puan Teh she has her own walaupun sepatutnya dia bersara tahun depan tapi dia decide tak apa, pada saya ada masa kena fikirkan untuk diri sendirilah keperluan jadi sebab itu saya bila dia beritahu saya sempat bercakap dengan dia, saya kata tak apalah let us bersara next year together. Dia kata, saya sebutlah masa tu masa di isi borang sebelum tu dia kata no tak apalah, saya respect keputusan dia benda macam ni sebab saya tahu, sebab saya pun lama bekerja, dia pun lama, jadi kita tahu apa yang kita, tahap mana yang kita dah capai kita dah sampai limit yang kita rasa, tapi bukannya Puan Teh stop. Saya tahu Puan Teh memang akan sambung secara tidak rasmi, betul Puan Teh saya tahu dia sayang anak murid dia, anak murid kimia dia sebab kimia next year periksa bulan kita akan periksa bulan Mac kan jadi itulah official memang Puan Teh bersara dah jadi teruskan kepada yang lain ikutilah kepada Puan Teh sekali lagi terima kasih lah sebagai pengetua di sini saya mewakili semua warga SMK UiT 13 mengucapkan setinggi-tinggi penghargaan dan terima kasih atas segala jasa bakti yang telah dicurahkan kepada anak-anak tertinian, kepada rakan-rakan dan of course kepada sekolah ini sehingga sekolah ini berada dalam top 10 di Petaling jadi mungkin sedikit lagi kemudian secara tidak formal terus bantu kita supaya sekolah UIJ 13 sentiasa berada di atas lah Jadi kami juga mendoakan Puan T sentiasa diberi kesihatan yang baik dan terus bersemangatlah menjalani aktiviti selepas bersara. Sebenarnya semalam saya dah nampak dah perubahan Puan T. Saya kata you lost weight ya. So dia dah bersedia dah. Very good lah ya, sebab kita kena at punya age kami dah kena bersedia memastikan kesihatan kami terbaik ya. So Puan T sudah bergerak ke arah itu ya. Dia dah bersiap sedia. So good lah ya. Okey, teruskan jalankan aktiviti-aktiviti yang Puan T dah rancang. Saya tengok di sini disebut dalam teks kata berkebun dan melancong. Saya tahu melancong sebab ada tim, semalam ada tim Danau Toba, that means you. Okey, baguslah, itu antara perkara yang dapat kita hilangkan kita punya stres lah Jadi teruskan Puan T, apa saja, all the best, enjoy your retirement day, okay, do the best and remember us, ingat kita. So ada sini sedikit, ikit lah of course sebab kita ada pantun-pantun. Okay, so tak tumbuh tak melata, tak sungguh orang tak kata. Sebenar kata pepatah Melayu, patahkan tumbuh, hilangkan berganti. Namun yang hilang akan tetap abadi pada Puan. Kita tak akan jumpa dah Puan T yang lain. There's only one. She is the only one. Okay. Kalau pada Puan T, kalau ada pauh di daik bawa sebiji tanah seberang. Kalau ada budi yang baik sampai mati dikenang orang. Begitulah Puan T kepada kami semua Tuai padi antara masa, esok jangan layu-layuan. Entai kami antara masa, esok jangan rindu-rinduan. Sekarang mungkin bila dah okey nanti, mungkin bila kami dah buka bersemuka, Puan T pun rindu, bolehlah intai kita come and see us. Ayam itik di pinggir hutan nampak dari tepi telaga. Nama yang baik jadi kenangan 1000 tahun terkenang juga Puan T. Okey, sekian daripada saya. Wabillahi taufiq wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekian, terima kasih. Happy retirement Puan.
Majlis merakamkan ucapan terima kasih atas ucapan yang disampaikan oleh Puan Hajah Mazni sebentar tadi.
Tiap pertemuan pasti ada perpisahan. Itulah adat, itulah lumrah kehidupan. Begitu juga dengan rentetan perjalanan hidup kita. Hadirin yang dihormati, sebelum majlis menjemput yang diraikan, elok kiranya saya bacakan latar belakang insan yang kita raikan pada hari yang penuh bersejarah ini. Puan T Gyo Ip dilahirkan pada tanggal 22 Ogos 1964 di Melaka. Beliau telah dibesarkan dalam sebuah keluarga yang besar iaitu seramai 9 orang adik-beradik dan beliau merupakan anak yang ke-6. Beliau juga merupakan anak kepada pasangan mendiang T Bun Yong dan Lee Siu Eng. Beliau telah mendirikan rumah tangga bersama pujaan hatinya iaitu Chong Yong Chuen pada tarikh keramat 10 November 1991. Beliau telah dianugerahkan seramai 3 orang cahaya mata yang menjadi penyeri keluarga. Puan T menerima pendidikan awal di Sekolah Rendah Jenis Kebangsaan Cina Pingming, Melaka pada tahun 1971 hingga 1976. Seterusnya, beliau menyambung pendidikan di Sekolah Menengah Munshi Abdullah pada tahun 1977 hingga 1984. Kemudian, beliau menyambung pengajian di peringkat yang lebih tinggi di University Sains Malaysia pada tahun 1985 hingga 1989 dalam jurusan kimia dan matematik. Bermula dari sini, beliau mula melangkah dengan lebih yakin dan berani untuk menempuh segala dugaan dan ujian dalam arena pendidikan yang penuh mencabar. Kata orang, Allah bisa, tegal biasa dan genggam api biar sampai jadi arang. Begitulah semangat yang dimiliki oleh Puan T yang disayangi. Memulakan tugas beliau sebagai pendidik di SMK Tamparuli Sabah pada 4 Disember 1989 hingga 31 Disember 1990, Bak kata Bidala Melayu, benih yang baik dilempar di mana-mana pun tetap memberi hasil yang baik. Begitulah juga dengan beliau. Beliau seterusnya berkhidmat di SMK Damansara Jaya, Petaling Jaya pada 1 Januari 1991 hingga 31 Disember 1997. Pada tarikh 1 Januari 1998 sehingga 5 Julai 2000, beliau berkhidmat pula di SMK Subang Jaya dan khidmat bakti beliau sentiasa ditagih dan diperlukan lantaran ciri-ciri pendidik yang dimiliki dalam diri beliau serta semangat yang membara dalam mendidik diteruskan di SMK USJ 13 pada 6 Julai 2000 hingga 30 September 2021. Beliau merupakan seorang yang berpengalaman dalam dunia pendidikan dan kini telah berkhidmat selama 30 tahun.
Tenanglah tenang air di laut, sampan kolek mudik di Tanjung. Hati terkenang mulut menyebut, budi yang baik rasa nak junjung. Untuk berjaya, kita perlu mendaki setangga demi setangga sehingga berjaya. Begitu jugalah kepimpinan dan kecemerlangan beliau memang terselah dan tidak boleh disangkal lagi. Pada tahun 2005, beliau telah mendapat penganugerahan dan penghargaan perkhidmatan cemerlang dan merupakan pentaksir kawasan kimia pada tahun 2004 hingga 2009. Antara hobi beliau pada waktu lapang ialah beliau suka berkebun dan melancong. Demikianlah sedikit biodata yang diraikan Puan Teh Ip yang akan menamatkan perkhidmatan beliau pada hari ini. Seterusnya, tibalah waktu yang kita nanti-nantikan, iaitu ucapan daripada yang diraikan Puan Teh Ip. Majlis dengan segala hormatnya menjemput dan mempersilakan.
Terima kasih kepada MC. Okey. Yang berusaha Puan Pengetua, Puan Masni binti Puan Masni ya. Penolong kanan pentadbiran Puan Magnum, penolong kanan HEM Puan Rosnita Tajuddin, penolong kanan co-curriculum Puan Azura, penolong kanan petang Puan Sofia Lau, barisan guru kanan mata pelajaran, rakan-rakan guru dan murid-murid yang saya kasihi. Salam sejahtera. Terlebih dahulu saya dengan ikhlasnya ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada Kelab Guru sesi 2021 yang menyediakan satu majlis besaran yang begitu bermakna untuk saya. Hari ini saya bersara dari perkhidmatan pendidikan yang saya gemari, yang telah saya berkhidmat selama hampir 32 tahun. Untuk menghasilkan kemenjadian saya sebagai seorang guru, saya ingin mengambil peluang ini merakamkan setinggi-tinggi terima kasih kepada ibu bapa saya dan cikgu-cikgu saya dari sekolah rendah hingga ke universiti. Okey, pada 4 Disember 1989, saya melapor diri di SMK Tamparuli, Sabah. Bermulalah kerjaya sebagai seorang pendidik. Saya masih boleh ingat ya, pada 3 hari bulan Disember, kami berkumpul di sebuah sekolah asrama penuh di Kota Kemuning, Kota Kinabalu, diberi taklimat dan lepas itu diberi surat ya, di mana sekolah itu kami perlu berkhidmat. Pada hari itu kami dapat surat itu. Dan saya mendapat surat itu, lepas itu saya tengok di luar sekolah itu ada banyak van yang menulis ya nama-nama ya bandar-bandar di Sabah. Maka saya cuba carilah Tamparuli ya, dan saya nampak sebuah van itu. Saya terus naik ke atas dia dan pada saya ingat ya itu pejabat pendidikan negeri Sabah lebih menghantar van-van ini untuk kami yang daripada Semenanjung ya, yang tidak kenal Sabah langsung untuk ke sekolah baru. Jadi saya dengan suka hatinya naik bas itu, van itu. Tetapi tidak jangka ya, sebenarnya itu ialah sebuah kenderaan awam saja dan bukannya khas untuk menghantar cikgu-cikgu ke sekolah barunya. Jadi lepas tu baru saya dapati yang ini bukanlah satu special untuk cikgu-cikgu yang baru hantar, yang kena melapor diri. Maka saya sebenarnya sangat takut dia. Sebenarnya kerana saya tidak pernah pergi ke Sabah. So saya mengingatkan pemandu itu, dia tolong hantar saya pada waktunya sebab pengetua itu sedang menjangka saya akan tiba waktu itu supaya dia tidak hantar saya ke tempat yang lain. Jadi peristiwa ini macam baru berlaku semalam dan hari ini saya telah bersama. Okey. So lepas itu Jun 2000 saya menyertai saya menjadi cikgu di SMK UJ 13 kerana SMK UJ 13 mulai beroperasi pada Jun 2000 ya. Di mana saya memohon bertukar daripada SMK Subang Jaya. 21 tahun bertugas di SMK UJ 13. Banyak kenangan ya, sama ada pahit manis, okey, bersama dengan rakan-rakan guru SMK UJ 13 semasa kami menjalankan tanggungjawab dan tugas ya. Semua kenangan ini pasti akan sentiasa tersemat ya di dalam lubuk hati saya. Kepada guru-guru tingkatan 5 yang di mana jagaan saya ingin mengambil kesempatan ini untuk mengucapkan terima kasih kepada kamu semua. Kamu semua sangat baik ya, sangat cepat bertindak bila saya meminta sesuatu dan ada kala lebih cepat daripada saya. So I want to take this opportunity to say thank you to you all. Kepada rakan seperjuangan saya dalam APDM, saya juga ingin mengucapkan terima kasih kepada Puan Syamini. Dia ialah pembantu saya di sesi petang. Dia pun seorang cikgu yang sangat cepat bertindak dan kami kedua-dua bersama-sama cuba membuatkan APDM tiada larat. Terima kasih Puan Syamini. Saya juga ingin mengambil kesempatan ini untuk mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada rakan-rakan sekerja saya yang lain ke atas kerjasama dan kasih sayang yang diberi kepada saya sepanjang masa saya berkhidmat di SMK UJ 13 sehingga ke saat ini. Rakan-rakan di SMK UJ 13 yang saya sayangi, saya amat menghargai segala jasa baik, bantuan dan bimbingan yang telah diberikan oleh kamu kepada saya. Keupayaan dan komitmen cikgu-cikgu SMK UJ 13 memang hebat dan tinggi. Betapa bertuahnya saya dapat bekerja sepasukan dengan kamu. I'm going to miss you all. You have been part of my journey for a long time. I have already packed memories of fun, collaboration, consultation and friendship into my heart to take with me. Those I am deeply grateful for. Sekarang penghargaan juga ingin saya berikan kepada barisan pentadbir yang sama-sama memberi tunjuk ajar dan semangat. Dan saya mengurus dan mentadbir segala urusan di SMK UJ 13. Yang sering membantu saya melancarkan segala urusan di SMK 13 dengan baiknya. Terima kasih Puan Masni, Puan Manum, Puan Rusnita dan barisan BKMP. Kepada anak-anak murid yang saya kasihi, di dalam kelas telah lama saya berletih ya. Maka hari ini saya tidak akan meletih lagi. Saya akan berkongsi satu sajak ya dengan kamu yang ditulis oleh Warren Elman. A short one, a poem. Okay. Be a good student. Be a good student, learn as much as you can. Always be Always be willing to grab education, for the time is at hand. Study your books and strive to be the best. Focus on your studies. And be a cut above the rest. Okay. Akhir sekali, saya ingin mengambil kesempatan ini untuk memohonnya ribuan ampun dan maaf ya. Di atas segala kesilapan, kelemahan, keterlanjuran, perbuatan dan kata-kata saya yang menyinggung perasaan dan hati siapa saja, sama ada secara sedar atau tidak sedar di sepanjang perkhidmatan saya di SMK UAJ 13. Saya berharap ya, SMK UAJ 13 terus maju jaya dalam apa jua lapangan yang mereka menceburi. Thank you and goodbye.
Majlis merakamkan setinggi-tinggi penghargaan dan terima kasih kepada yang diraikan Puan Teh Gyo Ip atas ucapan yang disampaikan sebentar tadi. Jangan pergi terlalu lama supaya khawatir selesai sudah. Suka duka telah dilewati bersama, menjalin kenangan yang amat indah.
Berhembus bayu angin mengilir, sejuknya sampai ke hujung pohon. Sambutlah salam pesan terakhir disampaikan lewat untayan pantun. Tuan Puteri pergi ke Rasah, pulang semula sebelah pagi. Kita bertemu, akhirnya berpisah, diizin Tuhan bersua lagi. Hadirin yang dihormati, majlis hari ini diteruskan dengan menyaksikan tayangan video memorabilia Puan Teh Gyo Ip. Dipersilakan. Majlis merakamkan ucapan terima kasih atas tayangan video yang memaparkan kenangan Puan T semasa berada di SMK USJ 13 lebih kurang 21 tahun. Apabila memandang ke muka laut, nampaklah sampan mudik ke hulu. Apabila terkenang, mulut menyebut, budi yang baik ingat selalu.
Awan bersua, citra berkisah, ukiran sukma, kilauan kelisa, bingkisan perutusan selesai sudah, persembahan dan ucapan menyusul pula. Hadirin sekalian, seterusnya marilah kita saksikan video ucapan penghargaan untuk Puan T dan persembahan daripada T. Zuero daripada kelas 3 Delta.
Seterusnya, marilah kita saksikan video ucapan penghargaan untuk Puan T dan persembahan daripada Artina Dahlia binti Ahmad Yazid dari tingkatan 3 Gamma yang akan membuat persembahan nyanyian lagu I Have a Dream diikuti dengan persembahan tarian tradisional daripada Lai Yu Yin dari 2 Kapal dan persembahan terakhir daripada T. Surau daripada kelas 3 Delta yang akan membuat persembahan muzik. Dipersilakan.
Morning, Tuan-Tuan and Puan-Puan and everyone who are watching on this video. I'm YC Chong, husband of Puan Teh. Allow me to say a few words to my wife. Hi, Lo Po. I wish you happy retirement. A retirement signifies mission accomplishment and a new life journey begins. A light and easy version, I suppose. I congratulate you on your great achievement and a big thank you to you as we all benefited from it. Your sacrifices and contribution are well recognized and appreciated. May you slow down your living pace and enjoy every moment of it. 享受慢生活. Last but not least, stay healthy and be happy. May you be well and happy always. My love and support be with you forever. Thank you.
Hi, Mom.
Hi, Andy.
Wishing you a happy retirement.
retirement.
So thank you for raising me up for the past 20 years and working so hard. It has finally come the time for you to say goodbye to all the tension and stress and finally enjoy what the very best that life has to offer. I hope that we could reunite very soon. So in the meantime, please take care and enjoy your big day. Yeah. You have anything else to say?
Yeah, Andy, I think you work very hard already. So now all your kids are already grown up. So I think you just enjoy your last day in school for your retirement. And
No school.
it's okay, virtual school. Yeah. Anyway, enjoy life and hope to see you soon.
Yeah, stay healthy and be happy. Best wishes from Singapore. Bye.
Bye.
Hello everyone, I am Puan Teh's youngest daughter, so I'm filming a video today to say a few words to my mom on her retirement. So growing up, when people ask me what does my mom do for a living, I would always proudly say that my mom is a teacher. And she's not just a regular teacher, she's a very dedicated and a well-loved teacher. So how do I know that? For one, I know there was a period of time in her career for a great number of years. She always gets this award for 100% attendance at school. So she never skipped school or take MC even when she was sick, or even when her children, us, were sick, she never take leave. And why does she do that? It's not because she's a workaholic, but because she cares for her students. She doesn't want her students to fall behind her curriculum, and so she would insist to go to school every day. And how do I know that she's well loved by her students is that during Chinese New Year, around usually this period of time, there will be a few groups of students who would come to visit, and it's not just one group of students, it's a few groups of students across different generations. They will come and visit my mother and talk for hours and hours with her. And they don't just do this once, they do this every year, religiously. And so this is how I know my mom is very much well loved by her students. And so, Mommy, I would just like to say congratulations on your retirement. You have been wanting this and you truly deserve this break after spending half of your life teaching the next generation. So this is a well-deserved break for you. And I know that you will have a happy and fulfilling retirement life because I know you're a person who always like to keep yourself busy. And even so, you will also have our dog Kingston to play with, so that shouldn't be a problem. It's a shame that you can't be celebrating this huge achievement of yours with your colleagues and your beloved students at school, but it is what it is. I am still very happy for you and I'm super proud of you, Mommy.
Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. Assalamualaikum dan salam sejahtera buat semua. Saya Puan Azrin ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih kepada Puan T yang banyak berjasa kepada pihak sekolah, terutamanya kepada bidang sains dan matematik. Untuk pengetahuan semua, Puan T merupakan seorang guru yang sangat ceria, yang helpful dan juga mudah didekati. Sudah pastinya selepas ini kita akan kehilangan seorang guru kimia yang sangat hebat. Dan sudah tentunya murid-murid akan merindui gelak dan tawa Puan T. Puan T, terima kasih banyak-banyak di atas jasa dan bakti yang dicurahkan kepada bidang sains dan matematik. Sudah pastinya kami guru-guru bidang sains dan matematik akan merindui Puan T. Di kesempatan ini juga saya ingin mengucapkan selamat bersara buat Puan T. Semoga dikurniakan kesihatan yang berpanjangan. Akhir kata saya mohon salam kemaafan sekiranya ada salah dan silap. InsyaAllah jika ada rezeki kita akan bertemu lagi. Terima kasih banyak-banyak Puan T. Selamat bersara.
Hai Puan T. Saya Cikgu Nur Izakia ingin mengucapkan selamat bersara dan di kesempatan ini saya ingin mengucapkan ribuan terima kasih atas segala tunjuk ajar, atas segala kerjasama dan atas persahabatan yang terjalin antara kita sepanjang kita kenal di SMK USG 13. Selamat bersara, semoga Puan T terus kekal sihat dan gembira selalu di samping keluarga. Take care, love you, bye.
Hi Puan T, happy retirement. I, as a Ketua Panitia Kimia, I would like to say a big thank you to you for all the contribution that you've done in Panitia Kimia. Thanks for your guidance, thanks for your help. We really appreciate that. Enjoy your retirement life.
Selamat bersara kepada sahabatku Puan T Gio. Semoga persahabatan kekal abadi, jasamu tetap dikenang.
Hi Puan T, happy retirement. Thank you for all that you have done for all your students, and I will forever cherish what you have taught us, and as well as like basically all the life lessons. And I cannot believe today is actually your last day of teaching. It felt like yesterday I was just a student and not knowing how to do math. But I'm always very grateful and thankful for you, so hope you have a good life, a good retirement life, and I'll see you soon.
Hi Puan T, do you still remember me? My name is Ang Chun Yek, and I used to be one of your students from 4 Efficient or 5 Efficient back in the year 2012 and 2013. You used to teach us modern math back in those years, and we are very grateful for all your time and effort in pouring all your soul and hard work, and also your dedication in teaching us to guide us through learning and understanding how to apply modern math in our daily life, and also how to use it, and also guide us to be better students and also be better individuals. Thank you so much for teaching us over the years, and also ensuring that we come out on top with the best results. A lot of us have already graduated and are in the workforce already by this time, because I think we have graduated. Our final year of studies was around 2013. So it has been around almost 8 years since then, and a lot of us have already started working, and thanks to you, because of you teaching us modern math, a lot of us have have successfully become engineers, accountants, doctors, lawyers, and whatnot. And everything is all thanks to you and all the other teachers at SMK USG 13 for pouring all your soul and effort in teaching all of us for those 2 years. So thank you so much for all your hard work, and I wish you all the best in your next career or next endeavor, and also happy retirement. Okay, and last but not least, we hope you are well and taking care and staying safe during these times, and hope to see you again soon. Thank you so much. From Ang Chun Yek, and the rest of us at 4 Efficient and 5 Efficient, and also the rest of the students from SMK USG 13.
Hi, good morning or good afternoon, depending on when this is being played. at the moment. So Encik Syahrir has informed me that you are retiring soon, Puan Teh. I'd like to say thank you so much for teaching me for 2 years of my Form 4 and Form 5. I will always remember them and always appreciate, the moments that we had in class. If there's one thing I can say about Puan Teh, that she is a very wise, a very charismatic teacher as well. She is, what I can say, dedicated to her job, and despite only for teaching me for 2 years, I think those are the 2 years that are worth to be memorable in high school. Yeah, I would just like to extend my congratulations again on your retirement. And also, just a quick life update. I am a graduate engineer registered with the Board of Engineers of Malaysia right now. So I'd like to thank you, Puan Teh, for being a part of that. And if you've made it this far to the video, just want to let you know that my name's Adrian. Hope you recognize me. You taught me and my younger brother Elias in high school, and I also thank you on his behalf for teaching, guiding him towards for these past 2 years. So thank you so much. Happy retirement and have a nice day ahead of you.
Hello SMKHJ 13. I hope you're having a wonderful day. Quick introduction of myself. My name is Sean Low, and I am your fellow alumni, class of 2012. Greetings from Melbourne, Australia. Hello to all my dear teachers. Some of you may still remember me, as I've been notorious for being a class clown. It's a pleasure for me to be celebrating the farewell and retirement of our beloved Puan Teh, who was also my favorite chemistry teacher. Well, not that I had any other chemistry teacher to compare with. Anyway, I'm here to say a few words about Puan Teh and share some experiences that I had while I was in secondary school. When preparing this speech, I was thinking about nice things to say about Puan Teh. I spoke to her a couple of days ago about this, and she was hoping that I would only say nice things about her. But trying to think of nice things was harder than I thought. I mean, I didn't even get an A+ for chemistry, so what can I say? Jokes aside, I have a lot of fond memories of my chemistry classes. Like I said, I was a class clown, and I used to enjoy poking fun at Puan Teh. Some of you teachers might be thinking to yourselves, it's not just Puan Teh. I used to think that it was all fun and games, and that teachers shouldn't be mad at annoying students, because it's just a class. But it's actually a whole lot more to them. Think about it. Why would you get mad at something or someone that you don't care about? Why let that person ruin your day? So why did my teachers get annoyed at me instead of just ignoring me? And then I realized that they have only gotten emotional because they cared about me. They cared about every single one of their students. So before I go any further, thank you to all my teachers. Back to talking about Puan Teh. I used to go to the same gym as her. We would occasionally bump into each other, and my fondest memory was when Puan Teh met one of her former students in the gym, and she proudly introduced me as her son. Pretty hilarious, I thought. But then I wondered, why would she want that? I wasn't obedient. I wasn't a teacher's pet. And all I knew was to annoy her in class. And despite all that, she still thought of me as a son, at least for the short moment. You may have heard of the phrase that your parents are your first teachers and that they are your teachers at home. But if you think about it, the reverse works the same way. Your school teachers are your parents in school. The amount of care and love that Puan Teh and every other teacher has shown to their students is akin to what our parents have shown us at home. They dedicate their lives for our learning and development. But most teachers cycle through more than 100 students each year. So imagine raising 100 different kids every year. So I want to say to you, Puan Teh, thank you for being so much more than just an educator. You have been a real superstar teacher. I appreciate your motherly care that you've given to each and every single one of your students. The same goes to all teachers out there. I hope my fellow students listening to this would have a small takeaway from me today. Cherish your teachers the same way you cherish your parents. When you grow up to be successful men and women, don't forget to thank not only your parents, but also your teachers, who happen to be your parents in school. Enjoy your retirement, Puante, and I'll see you soon once the borders are open. Special thanks to Cikgu Sheila for organizing this. I'm sure you'll do absolutely well taking over this exciting role. Thank you. Bye-bye.
Hi teacher, thank you because you taught us almost two years and we all appreciate you very, very much. And I don't know how to describe, but you've been very patient to us, and even though we very nakal and got bad marks, you still sabar and tak pernah marah us, and we really, really appreciate you. And happy retirement. I hope you spend it with your loved ones, and I love you so much. We all love you so much, and hopefully you never forget us, and we also will never forget you. And kita orang akan dapat untuk you lah, teacher. Hopefully.
Yeah, teacher. What do I say? Thank you for everything, teacher. You have taught us it all. You've shared all your knowledge you can with us. It is sad that we won't be able to see you through the end to our SPM, but we've gained everything we can from you. We all wish you all the best, and thank you for everything, teacher. We will forever remember you.
Teacher, are you acid on litmus paper? Because when I look at you, I turn red. In conclusion, I want to say thank you so much, Atas, for everything you've taught us, for your patience with us. I will miss you so much. Don't forget us. I love you.
Hi teacher. I just want to say thank you teacher for all the knowledge you have given to us. We really appreciate it and we will miss you for sure. And we wish you all the best. That's all. Thank you teacher.
Thank you, Almi.
Okay, I also would like to say thank you teacher for teaching us for these 2 years. And I will miss you and you helped me a lot with chemistry. So thank you teacher.
Okay, thank you teacher for being patient with us and be patient with me, although I'm very lazy to do your homework sometimes, and it seems like I'm not very active in your class, but I really like your teach, especially in school. I really like the way you're teaching. So I'm very sorry if it seems like I'm don't appreciate you, but I really do love your teaching and all. Yes. Thank you, teacher.
Okay, so I remember, I just want to cerita, the first class we have Puante, I remember she walked in, she was so dressed up, and then her rambut was ikat. But then, when she started teaching us, right, she got so into teaching, she tak perasan her rambut dah jatuh and getah rambut is already on the floor lah. So, at that moment, I knew that she's going to be a very dedicated teacher.
Hi teacher.
Hi. Don't see your face.
Camera not working. Thank you teacher for teaching us over the past 2 years or so, almost 2 years. I really appreciate your dedication when it comes to teaching us students in chemistry, and your support means a lot to us all, especially when we take this SPM. So I really thank you for being there for us when you teach us. Yeah.
Throughout these 2 years, initially I don't like science subjects that also includes chemistry, but after learning and studying with Puante, I start to learn how chemistry works, the reaction, the products, and all of the equations. It started making me more interested in chemistry and start to learn that's how it works, and macam ni punya. So it changed my entire attitude towards chemistry, and I do like to learn further more in chemistry, but not for the exam. So Thank you, teacher, for the 2 years. Yeah.
Hi, teacher. I just want to say thank you for teaching us for the past 2 years. Although I'm very weak at chemistry, but I'll try my best to score chemistry for you, to make you proud, and wish us luck for SPM, and we all love you, and we're gonna miss you.
1, 2, 3.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Alamak.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye.
Bye, teacher.
Saya mewakili murid kelas 5 Zeta ingin mengucapkan jutaan terima kasih kepada Puan Teh kerana banyak membimbing dan tunjuk ajar kepada kami. Kami juga ingin meminta maaf anda terdapat sebarang kesalahan yang telah kami lakukan sepanjang cikgu mendidik kami. Sebelum mengakhiri ucapan ini, terimalah 2 rangkap pantun daripada saya. Bunga Cina, bunga karangan, tanamlah rapat tepi berigi. Adik di mana abang gerangan, bilalah dapat bertemu lagi. Kalau ada sumur di ladang, bolehlah kita menumpang mandi. Kalau ada umur panjang, bolehlah kita bertemu lagi.
Thank you, Puan Teh.
Thank you, Puan Teh.
Puan Teh.
Thank you,
Thank you, Puan Teh.
Thank you, Puan Teh.
Hi teacher, I'm Iwan Shin from Fogama.
I'm Iman from Forgama.
Hi Puan Teh, I'm Lucian from Empat Gama.
I'm Muhammad Rahim Zafar.
Hi Puan Teh, I'm Alif.
I'm Zoe Tan from class Fogama.
I'm Balkis from Fogama.
Hey Puan Teh, it's Celine.
Hi teacher, it's Winnie.
My name is Joel.
Hi Puan Teh, I'm Samantha.
Hi Puan Teh, I'm Shanli.
Hi teacher, my name is Harleen Devkar from Fogama.
Hope you are taking good care of yourself and that you are living your best life ever.
I'm very blessed to have you as our teacher.
You are one of my motivations.
I'm really glad and happy to have you as our chemistry teacher.
In this video, I want to say
thank you for all the knowledge you taught us and every single thing that you did for us throughout the year.
You're such an amazing person to have as a teacher, and we're genuinely grateful to have met you.
Thank you so much for all the lessons that you have taught us.
I understood everything you taught us in every of the classes, previous of your classes.
I really appreciate everything that you have done for us.
Thank you for teaching me chemistry for almost 9 months.
It was fun while it lasted. I really hope that you enjoy your retirement days.
And I wish you nothing but the best for your retirement.
Thank you for teaching me.
We could really understand everything they taught us.
Always remember your effort in making each lesson enjoyable and educational.
Although I've been learning under you for just about 1 year,
teacher, you have a special place in my heart,
and I may not be the very advanced student in chemistry because chemistry is very hard to me, but
always there to answer all my questions.
Eagerness to learn is uncommon, but the eagerness to teach is one of a kind. I will be lucky if I become half as eager as you are to teach those around you.
Thank you for all the hard work you've put in teaching us.
Thank you for your patience and dedication, teaching us chemistry in class every day.
Really appreciate your teaching, and it will be delightful if we continue to inspire people who really better us.
Thanks to your hard work, it really inspires me to put in more effort into chemistry to excel in this subject.
Hi Puan Teh, I want to thank you for everything.
Thank you Puan Teh.
Thank you very much.
Thank you for everything you have done for us.
Thank you for everything. I hope you have a happy retirement.
Thank you for everything, Puan Teh.
Thank you, teacher.
So much Puan Teh for teaching us for this past 9 months.
Thank you for your patience, caring, kind words, and sharing, teacher.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you Puan Teh for teaching us chemistry this year.
I thank you a lot for teaching me chemistry this year.
Thank you Puan Teh for what you have taught us.
Thank you so much for all you've taught us.
Thank you Puan Teh for teaching us chemistry this year.
Thank you Puan Teh for all this time, for teaching me.
Thank you, Pante, for teaching us chemistry.
Thank you so much for teaching me these past few months.
Thank you for teaching us throughout the year with wonderful lessons.
Thank you
for teaching us chemistry for these past 9 months.
I really appreciate all of your lessons. Thank you, Pante.
Goodbye, teacher. Hope I can say hello someday. Thank you. 谢谢你.
Thank you, teacher.
Thank you for teaching us.
Thank you
so much for teaching us these past few months.
once again. Thank you for everything you have done for me.
I'm going to miss you, and I'm going to miss all our chemistry classes together.
I'm going to miss sending attendance to you every time after class. I'm going to miss attending to your classes.
Teacher will always be in my heart, and I hope teacher can remember us forever, and teacher will not forget us.
Stay safe.
Stay healthy.
Stay happy always.
Have a happy retirement.
And I will miss you a lot.
And I hope you have a great day every day.
Congratulations on your retirement, teacher.
I hope you have a happy retirement.
And may this new chapter of your life brings you more surprises.
I wish you a happy retirement, and I hope you enjoy your retirement life.
I wish teacher a happy retirement.
Hope you have a happy retirement.
We love you and we wish you the best of luck in your retirement.
Goodbye and have a good retirement.
Say thank you and happy retirement for Pante.
Happy retirement, teacher.
Happy retirement.
Happy retirement, Pante.
I hope that after this, you will live a happy life and that you will chill, stress-free, no stress, living life, you know.
I hope you have a very relaxing retirement.
Do whatever that makes you happy. Do whatever you want that makes you happy.
I wish you the best on your retirement, and I'll miss you.
Teacher, I hope you have a wonderful retirement this year.
Hope you have a happy retirement.
Thank you, Pante, and happy retirement. I hope you continue to live a happy and healthy life.
Love you, teacher. Take care and enjoy your retirement.
And take care, teacher. We'll always miss you.
We hope to see you again someday.
So, happy retirement, teacher.
Love you, Pante.
Love you, Cha.
Love you.
Thank you, teacher. Take care.
Stay safe and stay hydrated.
Sarang, hey teacher, I love you.
Bye, teacher. Miss you.
Bye-bye.
Bye, teacher.
Bye, teacher.
Hi, teacher.
Hello, everyone.
Hi, Pante. Hi.
Hi, Pante.
Hi, teacher.
Hi, teacher. Happy retirement.
Pante is very rajin when it comes to teaching.
I would say she's very kind teacher. Funny.
I would say loving.
Hardworking.
Pante is a very hardworking.
Patient.
Pante is a caring teacher.
Describe Pante as caring.
Passionate.
Wholesome.
Helpful.
Excited.
I would say that you're scary.
Pante is a kind-hearted person.
Yes. Very enjoyable. Very nice.
Yes, I really enjoyed this past 9 months learning in Pante because the teaching really inspires me to learn chemistry, and I really love her teaching.
Yes. Of course I do. Yes.
Yes, I did enjoy the past 9 months of learning with Pante because she taught very well and makes me understand the subject with fun learning. Yes, I really do enjoy learning with you, and I hope I can learn more from you. But you're going to Besari now, so. But thank you so much for everything.
Yes, I did enjoy. Pante is a teacher to whom students know they can go with any problems or even to share a funny story.
Yes, of course, I did. Thank you, teacher, for doing online class. Or even though it's early in the morning, you still are there for us doing online class and guide us throughout the classes. Thank you, teacher.
Yes, I did enjoy the past 9 months learning with teacher. She helped us learn a lot.
Sometimes it kind of gets sleepy and boring,
but I think I do enjoy most of her classes actually.
As for me, I really enjoyed the last 9 months learning with Puente. I know it's COVID, it's pretty hard to learn online. I really wish we learned at school because, online school is not fun at all. But if I was given another 9 months to learn with Puente, I would not hesitate and I would probably take it.
Yes, I really enjoy learning with Puente because I can easily understand chemistry.
Yes, of course. I really enjoy it.
Yes, I really enjoyed learning for the past 9 months with her.
Yes, definitely, because of course she taught us a lot of things and it was quite fun learning with her.
Thank you so much for all the lessons you have taught us, and I wish you the very best in your retirement, and stay healthy, stay safe, and stay happy as always.
I think I just thank her because she's been a wonderful teacher. Chemistry is a subject that I had no interest in, and suddenly, Puente started teaching, and I felt like, you know what, this is a subject I don't want to fail. This is a subject that I want to do good at. Before this, I had no interest at all with it. But now everything's just flipped, everything's just changed. It's a subject I really do enjoy and love.
I would like to say, teacher, you really inspired me, my friends, and so many generations. Thank you and best wishes for your retirement.
I would like to say thank you for everything you have done to all the teachers and also the students. I wish you a life full of happiness and also success. We love you.
I would say thank you for everything, your time, your effort, the ilmu you have given us, and have a wonderful retirement, teacher. Since you have a lot of free time, make sure you have a good rest, teacher.
I would say thank you, teacher, for helping me, for being such a great teacher. I hope we meet again soon and enjoy retirement.
I would say that thank you so much for everything that you taught us. I would never find any teacher like you. You're the best chemistry teacher ever, and I'm so grateful that I could learn from you a bit. Not a bit, for 9 months is a lot actually. So thank you so much, and I hope I can see you again. And that's all. I would like to thank her for the knowledge she had given me and the time we spent for correcting mistakes that I had made, as well as the patience she had instilled throughout the 9 months of her teaching.
Thank you for teaching me chemistry for this month, and thank you for making me a better person. Enjoy your retirement, teacher.
I'd say thank you, teacher, for teaching us all these months and guiding us on the right path. I'd also like to wish you a happy retirement. Stay safe and take care, teacher. Thank you for everything.
Please keep teaching us, because I really enjoy learning new stuff with you.
I would say I'm very glad that you were my teacher, and thank you very much for teaching us for all the way and being very patient with us. And I hope teacher can be happy after this. Take care, teacher.
Hi, teacher. I'm sorry I didn't perform well in the exam.
No.
And I hope you have a happy retirement.
Thank you for guiding me and inspiring me. Thank you, teacher, and stay safe.
I would like to say to her, thank you, teacher, for all the hard work and dedication you have put into teachers' chemistry. Thank you for all the knowledge that you have shared with us. And I would like to wish teacher happy retirement and stay safe, teacher. Bye, teacher.
Thank you for watching. Goodbye.
Peace.
That's all. Thank you.
Thank you, teacher. Bye-bye.
Bye.
Bye.
go.
Hello teacher, congrats on your retirement and I hope you like this performance. I have a dream, a song to sing, to help me cope with anything. If you see the wonder of a fairy tale, you can take the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels, when I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the stream. I have a dream, I have a dream, a fantasy to help me go reality. And my destination makes it worth the while, pushing through the darkness, still another mile. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels, when I know the time is right for me, I'll cross the stream. I have a dream, I'll cross the stream. I have a dream. see the wonder of a fairy tale. You can take the future, even if you fail. I believe in angels, something good in everything I see. I believe in angels when I know the time is right for me. I'll cross the stream. I have a dream. I'll cross the stream. I have a
Majlis merakamkan ucapan terima kasih atas ucapan serta persembahan itu tadi. Berdayung sampan ke tanah semenanjung, hendak membeli tikallah rotan. Budi dikenang, bakti disanjung, kekal subur dalam ingatan. Hadirin yang dihormati sekalian, majlis diteruskan dengan tayangan rakaman upacara penyampaian cenderamata sebagai tanda kenang-kenangan buat insan yang kita raikan, iaitu Puan Teh Gyo Ik. Dipersilakan.
Stay in this moment, let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay in this moment, let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams are away with you. All that I can be means so much 'cause you believe in me. You show me how to live with dignity. When the lessons end, I can share with you just like a friend. Your love and smiles and frowns keep me safe. You teach me right from wrong, inspire me to be strong. You care in every way. In my heart, you will always stay. In this moment, let me say how I'm grateful every day. You are here to guide my way. When I'm lost beside me, stay. In this moment, let me say you turn my little into great. There's no fear, my dreams are awake with you.
Majlis merakamkan setinggi-tinggi ucapan terima kasih semua penyampai cenderamata. Majlis juga merakamkan terima kasih atas kesudian Puan Teh Gyo Ik menerima cenderamata sebagai tanda ingatan daripada kami semua.
Hadirin yang dihormati, Kita telah pun berada di penghujung acara. Bagi pihak pengacara majlis, kami menyusun jari memohon maaf jika ada kekilafan dan kesilapan sepanjang mengendalikan majlis. Terima kasih diucapkan kepada yang diraikan Puan Teh Gio Ip kerana sudi bersama-sama kita pada pagi ini, dan kami semua mendoakan agar Puan Teh ceria selalu dan dapat berehat dan meluangkan masa bersama keluarga tercinta serta dapat melakukan hobi yang disukai pada bila-bila masa. Sebelum mengundur diri, terimalah 2 rangkap pantun daripada kami. Bunga Cina, bunga karangan, tanamlah rapat tepi perigi. Kakak di mana, adik gerangan, bilalah dapat bertemu lagi. Kalau ada sumur di ladang, bolehlah kita menumpang mandi. Kalau ada umurku panjang, bolehlah kita bertemu lagi. Sekian, wabillahi taufik wal hidayah. Wassalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. Sekian, terima kasih. Diminta kepada semua hadirin agar tidak meninggalkan majlis kerana kita ada sesi bergambar.